Hello YouTube. It is Burbizooka. The harmless yellow ducklings your children play in the bathroom can be dangerous. Unfortunately, there is a shocking truth about rubber ducks, the most popular yellow toys for children that are played in the bathroom. According to a recent study by American and Swiss researchers, bacteria floating inside these cute yellow toys are potentially pathogenic. In fact, in 4 out of 5 studied toys, malignant bacteria were detected. In particular, the researchers discovered Legionella and Pseudomonas aeruginosa, a bacterium that often participates in illnesses acquired in hospitals. Experts say that certain bacteria can help improve the immune system of children, but they can also lead to infections of the intestine, eyes and ears. Researchers who received sponsorship from the Swiss government in a wider study of household items say that using higher quality polymers can prevent the growth of fungi and bacteria in children's favorite toys. Although the Swiss government has not yet made any recommendations on this issue, public attention has been drawn to this problem, and this is the most important thing. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Have a great day.